I'm going to plant some things. Well, some items from some things I have in my house. I have a pot that already has some soil in it. Two of them actually. But some tomatoes, piece of an onion. Whoa, it's trying to get off the plate. And a potato that's already starting to grow an end, getting some roots here. Okay, we're gonna try it. So the tomato I've tried before with my students. You just slice the tomato. That's it. Put it on top of the soil. I have two of them. And the seeds. See the seeds in there? Yum, yum, yum. So you just place them on top of the soil. I'm going to put some on top. It's amazing how this works out. Sliced tomato. There we go. And that one's all done. So just covered it up. The second one. I don't know what that is. Alright, so you could actually, I think I'm going to, this pot is not big enough for this potato. I'm going to put it in another pot. Or either in the ground. One potato will probably yield about 6 to 10 potatoes. So we'll see. So I'm going to take my onion, it's the end of it, and put it inside of the soil. And slide it in, cover it up. I already put a little plant food, but I'm going to put just a little bit more on top of the soil. And I'm going to water both of them. And we'll wait a few days and see what happens. If you're looking for something to plant something in, this is a jug, just an old water jug. And you can cut it in half, fill it with some soil. Well, before you cut it in half, before you fill it with soil, punch a few holes in the bottom so that you'll be able to drain water with it. And it's really a good thing to plant some things in. But we'll soon see what happens with these tomatoes.